Welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Joy, and for today's video, I'm going to be making Easter snacks. I have 3 snacks to make. The first one is Easter cookies. These are tie-dye egg cookies that you decorate. So that's one thing. And I said before that I decorate cookies for every holiday. So these are my Easter cookies. Next, I have cookies that you bake. They're the Pillsbury cookies that already come in like the shape and you just put them in the oven. So I have those, and they have pink bunnies on them. And I have pretzels that you make look like carrots. So I have these 2, what are these called? Melting wafers. Orange and green. And then I have pretzel sticks. And you dip one side in the orange and the other side in the green so it'll look like a carrot. So I'm going to be making those today. And I'll tell you what they taste like. So we'll just get started. I'm going to start with the pretzels. And for the pretzels, you have to like microwave the things so you can dip it. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be back once they're microwaved. Okay guys, I melted the chocolate. Here's the orange one. It's nice and smooth. And here's the green one. When I was microwaving it, I walked away, and when I came back, it was like this. But we're gonna make it work. And here's the pretzels, and I have a piece of foil to work on. So I'm gonna start making them, and I'll show them to you when they're done. Okay guys, I just finished the carrot pretzels, and this is what they look like. These were my 4 good ones. The rest of them, we're not going to talk about those. But these are the pretty ones. We got 4 good ones. That's enough. So now, time for the taste test. Okay, I'm about to taste the pretzels. I'm going to taste the ugly ones because I don't want to mess with the pretty ones. So I'm going to taste this one. 9 out of 10. They're not as good as the ones that you would buy at the store, but they're still good. And I have my mommy behind the camera because I'm making her taste my treats too. So pick out an ugly carrot.
Okay. This is the lucky one.
What do you think?
Do
you think I would win MasterChef Junior?
I think
Kids Baking Championship, not MasterChef Junior.
Did you bake these though?
It's a dessert. What would you rate it?
I give it a 9 out of 10.
Dessert number 1 was a success. Now we're going to put these away because I can't eat all of these right now. And we're going to move on to the next one. Okay, the next dessert I'm doing is the tie-dye cookies. So they're egg-shaped cookies, and you put the frosting on them, and then it's a paintbrush in here. So you like paint it around so it'll look tie-dye. These are the ones on the box. So that's what they should look like when they're done. So I'm going to open it up and get started. There's 5 icings, a blue bag, a pink this thing, an orange this thing, a yellow this thing, and a purple this thing. And then there's a red paintbrush to make it look tie-dye. And then there's 12 cookies. But I'm going to decorate them now. Okay, here's all my cookie supplies. And I have a cup of water too, because that's what you use with the paintbrush to make them tie-dye. So I'm going to start. Okay guys, I just finished decorating the cookies. I'll like show them a different way because I don't want to drop them. But I decorated 8 of them, and I gave my Nana 3 of them. And then one of them came out really ugly, so I ate it. So I already know what they taste like, but I'm going to do a taste test anyway. But let me show you what they look like. Okay, these are my cookies. This one is orange and pink tie-dye, purple and blue, orange and blue, pink and blue, yellow and blue, pink, purple, and yellow, blue, orange, yellow, pink, and purple, and pink and yellow. I have amazing tie-dye skills. I'm not going to eat another one because I already had one, but they're really good, so I give them a 10 out of 10. So now I'm going to move on to the last dessert. Before I move on to the next one, my cookies match my shirt because I'm wearing a tie-dye shirt. Okay, I'm moving on now, so I'll go get the next dessert. Okay, here's my last dessert that I'm going to make. The bunny cookies. And I'm not going to make the whole box because there's 20 cookies in here. And I already made cookies and I made pretzels, and I don't want to make the whole box. So I'm only going to make like 5 maybe. And I'll get back to you when the 5 cookies are done. This is what the cookies look like. So I'm going to go bake them now. And I'll see you in 12 to 14 minutes. Okay guys, finished the cookies. Here they are. This is what they look like. And now for the taste test. Ten out of 10. So everything I made today was really good, so that's good. Kids Baking Championship. I mean, say less. But that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye! Okay, I'm back because I don't remember if I posed for a thumbnail or not. So okay, bye now.